Jason Ferguson, one of the better inside defensive linemen in the NFL. When you talk about knowing how to stop the running game, he'd be in the top 5 of everybody's list. Showing that right there. Lavernius Coles has been shifted in and out of the lineup. He's back into the huddle now for the Jets. 1 catch for 5 yards. Line up wide right. Crabtree comes over to his side on 2nd down and 12.